tawag nito? What we call this one? Radar, reflector. What is the purpose of this one? Anong purpose, sir?
Transmit signal sa...
Transmit signal or signal contra-tension, or because your lifeboat, life craft rescue boat made of what? Rubber, plastic, or PVC. Diba? So, hindi siya metal. No, hindi siya detectable. So, lagyan mo ng metallic or materials. This is made of aluminum. Minsan yung iba parang color lantern, yung iba sir parang pyramid, yung iba may umbrella, yung iba naman ay para lang siyang diamond. Sir, no? So, depende yan sa design ng mismong manufacturer. So after sir, ganun yan, ilagay nyo yung sa taas ng life of life craft, no? Sa canopy, bubong, 3 meters above the water. Okay?